how to draw a regular polygon. Today, we're learning how to draw regular polygons with 5 or more sides. To do this, you'll need a ruler and a protractor. Before we draw, let's define what a regular polygon is. A regular polygon is a geometric figure that has all sides of equal length and all interior angles of equal measure. This is what we call being equilateral and equiangular. The structure of a beehive is an example of a regular polygon, specifically with 6 sides and angles. To start drawing a regular polygon, do step 1. Draw the first side. Use a ruler to draw a straight line of the desired length. For this example, we'll use a line that is 5 centimeters long. Understanding the interior angles of a polygon is important when constructing a regular polygon. This formula allows us to calculate the precise angle needed to ensure all sides and angles are equal, which is the definition of a regular polygon. In this slide, we'll look at a polygon with 5 sides. Applying the formula results in each interior angle measuring 108 degrees. Now that we know the interior angle, we'll move on to the next step, using a protractor to measure and mark it accurately. Let's move on to step 2. Place the center of your protractor right at one endpoint of the line. From the vertex, carefully measure the interior angle of the polygon using your protractor. Mark that point clearly. In this step, we're building up the next side of our polygon. Begin by placing your ruler at the endpoint where you marked the angle. Carefully draw a line of the same length as the first side, which is 5 centimeters, starting from that endpoint, and ensure it passes through the mark you made with your protractor. In this step, we will focus on completing our polygon. By repeating steps 1 through 3, you will continue drawing sides of equal length and connecting them until you close the shape. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Follow me for more learning videos.